Hi, you're welcome to another episode of Making Money Online. I'm about to change your money making game and your money making skills. So let's get this video started. This video is about how you can use ChatGPT to change your figures. Are you ready? Let's get started. We all know that ChatGPT is an AI tool. Please don't tell me that I'm used to ChatGPT. We already know what ChatGPT does and things like that. But let me tell you, don't let over familiarity stop you from getting a lot from this video. So number one, how to make money is that from content creation. You can use ChatGPT to help you create content for your website, for your blogs, for your clients. Probably you have clients that you work for and you help them sort out their content creation, content calendar. ChatGPT is going to save you that stress of sitting down and thinking how to go about things. That's number one. Number two is that ChatGPT can help you in translation services. Let me come closer. I don't know what language you're trying to learn, but any language you want to learn in this world, ChatGPT will translate it for you. In fact, even if you want to start learning from the beginners to the end, ChatGPT is there for you. So ChatGPT is going to help you translate from Chinese to English, from French to German, from German to English, and things like that for free. But sometimes it's AI, right? It can put a bit of error. It can be a bit of error in some places. So do well to double, triple check. I hope that makes sense. Next, virtual tutoring. ChatGPT can help you create lesson note, lesson plan, scheme of work. Let me use myself as an example. When I, during the process of teaching French online, I told ChatGPT to write me a 3 month scheme of work teaching French for beginners. And ChatGPT did justice to it. But it was broad, right? It wasn't specific, it was broad, but I still saw a guideline where it talked about travels, family, things like that. So I had to sit down, collate things, edit, and put my own human touch to it. But it did a lot of work in doing that. Number next is social media management. See, I understand the struggle when you have different clients you are working with and you have to post on Instagram, post on Twitter, post here, post there, trying to tweak it to work. No more stress. Just feed in what you want ChatGPT to do for you, and ChatGPT is going to do the magic. For example, you can say, ChatGPT, write me a short content. 3 pages is even too long. Write me a short content, 2 sentences of Mother's Day. And to write, you can even say write in 10 ways to just tell you this about mothers, this about mother. Just get one, post on Facebook, get one, post on it. Or you can even twerk it again. You can say, write me 10 content I can post on Instagram for Mother's Day. Write me 10 content I can post on Facebook for Mother's Day. Write me 10 content I can post on Twitter for Mother's Day. I think one issue people are having with ChatGPT is inability to feed it with the right command. That's just it. Because when you feed it in a robotic manner, it's going to respond to you in a robotic manner. Ensure that when you are feeding it with information, feeding it with command, you break it down, put in your own human nature, put in your own human mind into it. For example, let it sound like you. Don't just put it like in a robotic manner, how to fly the drone. No. You can put it streamline it, how to fly a drone when you are 16 years old in Canada, if that makes sense. So it will help you tweak things down and make it relatable so it doesn't sound that you're just reading script. That leads me to the next one. Another way to make money from ChatGPT is through script writing. I don't know what you are doing. I don't know what you need the script for. Whatsoever you need, whatsoever kind of script in this world, ChatGPT is going to do that for you. Say, ChatGPT, write me a script on how to travel from Lagos to Canada by foot. You're going to swim in the water. My God. But trust me, ChatGPT is going to do that. In fact, I'm going to Google it and look at the comments, or I'm going to feed the reply here, the response of ChatGPT, how to move from Lagos to Canada by foot. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. If right now you don't even know where to start in this making money online game, there is a program I would like you to join, GVA, Go Virtual Academy. That academy is going to change your life. It's going to change. I'm using virtual assistant because it's a broad umbrella term that covers graphic designing, social media management, administrative tasks, and things like that. Facebook ad and things like that. You don't know where to start. It's as courses, affordable courses you can get that was going to change your life completely. Also, if you like to learn French, please do well to use the link in the description box to enroll. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you did. If you did, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another one. Bye for now. Hi, you're welcome to. Why does it sound like I'm shouting? Sorry.